Hello students, in yesterday's class we have seen how to recognize whether the item belongs to capital or revenue. In this class we will see how to prepare receipt and payment account. In the beginning of the unit, I have explained you that in this chapter we will have to prepare receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account and balance sheet. In that the first one is preparation of receipts and payments account. Theory part has been already dealt in the first class in the college. Again I'll revise today. So we all know that receipt and payments account is just like a cash book, and it is a real account wherein it gives a summary of all cash receipt and cash payments. Receipt and payment account includes both capital and revenue item. This is very important. Receipt and payment account includes both capital and revenue items, and it will not include any outstanding items or non-cash items. So always remember, receipt and payment account is just like your cash book wherein it is a summary of cash payments and cash receipt, and it does not include any outstanding items and non-cash items just like depreciation and bad debts. Always in receipt and payments account the entry begins with opening balance of cash in hand or cash at bank. Now let us move to the sixth problem. From the following information of a citizens club, prepare the receipts and payments account for the year ending 31/3/2017. They have given us few items and we have to find out whether it is a receipt or whether it is a payment. So cash in hand 1/4/2016 rupees 1000, opening balance is given. Entry fees received, it is a receipt. Subscription received, again it is a receipt. Rent paid, payment. Payment made for printing and stationery, again it is a payment, you have to record it in the payment side. Newspaper and periodicals subscribed or purchased, again it is a payment, 5800. Electricity charges, payment. Furniture purchase, when you purchase something money goes out, again it is a payment. Sale of old newspapers, sale, it is a receipt. Life membership fees, it is also an receipt. The life membership fee is the amount received in lump sum one time. So now let us see how to prepare receipt and payment account. Name of the concern, that is Citizens Club, receipts and payments account for the year ending 31/3/2017. On the debit side we have receipts and payment side. All the receipts should be added in the debit side, that is receipt side, and all the payments should be written on the credit side. So I told first item cash in hand on 1/4/2016, it is an opening balance. To balance brought down, cash in hand 1000. Then entry fees received, it is a receipt, so write it under receipt column. Two entry fees 1000. Subscription received, again it is a receipt, so write under receipt column. To subscription 75,000. Rent paid, payment, so by rent 9,000. Payment made for printing and stationery rupees 5,000, so by printing and stationery 5,000. Then newspaper and periodicals, it is also a payment. By newspaper and periodicals 5800. Electricity charges, payment. By electricity charges 400. Furniture purchased, by furniture 10,000. Sale of old newspaper, sale, it is a receipt, so it will appear in the receipt side. To sale of old newspapers 500. Life membership fees, it is also a receipt, so to life membership fees 2000. Total it, so the total will be 79,500 and the balancing figure is nothing but the closing balance. By balance carried down 49,300. Always remember, receipt and payments account is just like your cash book wherein we are recording all the cash receipt and cash payments. And receipt and payments includes both revenue items as well as capital items. So this is all about sixth problem. Now let us move to the seventh one. Okay. From the following particulars, prepare receipts and payments account of Sagar Sports Club for the year ending 31/3/2014. So now Cash in hand on 1/4/2013, it is an opening balance, receipt side, to balance brought down. Cash in hand 10,000. Cash at bank on 1/4/2013, 20,000. Again, it is also an opening balance. Cash at bank 20,000. So in this problem we have cash in hand also, we also have cash at bank. Then donation received, it is a receipt. We have to record it in the receipt side of the receipt and payment account. So to donation, how much is the amount? 60,000. Then sports equipment purchased, it is a payment. When you purchase something, it's a payment, isn't it? So it will come under payment side. Buy sports equipment, 31,000. Admission fees received, receipt. To admission fees, 25,500. General expenses, expenses are nothing but payments. So general expenses 8,300. Okay. Then salary paid to staff, again payment by salary, 24,400. Securities purchased, payment by securities, 30,000. Cash in hand 31/3/2014 and cash at bank 31/3/2014. In this problem closing balance also they have given. In previous problem closing balance was not given. The balancing figure we treated it as closing balance. But in this problem, since they have given closing balance to us, the receipt and the payments total should tally. So by balance carried down, cash in hand will be 6,800 and cash at bank will be 15,000. There won't be any balance. The total of receipt side and payment side will be 1,15,500. Now let us move to the 8th one. From the following particulars, prepare the receipts and payments account of the Bengaluru Club for the year ending 31/3/2018. So we have to prepare a receipt and payment account. Now let us see the items. Okay. Cash balance on 1/4/2017, 5,000. Opening balance is given. Subscription received, receipt, 8,000. Library books purchased, it is a payment, 6,000. Paid for newspaper and journal, paid, payment. Again, paid for printing and stationery, it is also a payment. Paid for rent, payment. Received entrance fees, it is a receipt. Proceeds for lectures and concerts, proceeds in the sense money received, money obtained, that is nothing but receipt. Proceeds for lectures and concerts, 4,000. Again, paid for lectures, it is paid, payment. Paid electricity charges, again payment. So here, since closing balance is not given, after totaling, the remaining balance will be 6,200. Now, so totally there are 3 problems under receipt and payment account. Preparation of receipt and payment account is very easy. That is, you have to record all the receipt on the receipt side and payments on the credit side. Receipt and payment account is a real account which is nothing but similar to a cash book, wherein it summarizes all the cash payments and cash receipt, and it includes both revenue item as well as capital item, and it does not include outstanding items and non-cash items such as depreciation and bad debts. So you can expect theory questions also. What do you mean by receipt and payment account, or difference between receipt and payment account and income and expenditure account. Now moving to further balance sheet. So I have told you that in this chapter we will be using the term capital fund and not capital, because capital is the term which is used in relation to the profit organization. Since we are working out and we are dealing with the chapter non-profit organization, the main intention of these kind of organization is not to earn profit but to provide service to the society. So in all these organizations we use the term capital fund. Now let us see 9th problem. From the following particulars of public library, ascertain the capital fund for the year beginning 1/4/2016. So that is very clear. We have to find the capital fund. That means we have to prepare the balance sheet and we have to transfer all the items in the balance sheet, and the remaining balance will be nothing but capital. So buildings, it will appear in the asset side of the balance sheet. How much was it? Buildings 1 lakh. Then investment, again it will appear in the asset side of the balance sheet. Investments 25,000. Then outstanding creditors for expenses, it is an liability, it should appear in the liability side. Outstanding creditors 2,000. Library books, since this concern is public library, the books whatever they purchase, it is an asset for them, so this also should be recorded in the asset side. Library books 20,000. Furniture 7,000. Furniture is an fixed asset side. Furniture 7,000. Outstanding subscriptions, again we have to record it in the asset side. We have not yet received the money. Outstanding subscriptions 2,000. Rent receivable 1,000. Accrued rent, we have not yet received, it is an income. Again we have to record it in the asset side. Rent receivable or accrued rent 1,000. Cash on hand, cash at bank, both are current assets. Cash on hand, cash at bank. So total all the asset column, your total will be 1,60,000. Deduct 2,000 from the liability side, remaining balance will be capital fund. Now moving to the last problem of the day. From the following ledger balances as on 1/4/2013, find out the opening capital fund. In previous problem also they have asked us to prepare, they had asked us to ascertain the capital fund for the year beginning 1/4/2016. That is nothing but opening capital fund. Similarly here also they have asked us to ascertain the opening capital fund. The informations have been given. We will see. Buildings 80,000. It is an asset. Buildings. Furniture asset. Investments asset. Outstanding expenses liability. Outstanding subscriptions. Outstanding subscriptions are nothing but income not yet received, so it will come under asset side. Outstanding subscriptions 1,000. Prepaid insurance, insurance paid in advance, it is an asset. Prepaid insurance 500. Subscriptions received in advance, it is nothing but liability. Cash in hand asset rupees 3,200. Cash at bank rupees 6,300. Total everything, whatever balance is remaining, it will be transferred to capital fund. So totally till today we have finished 10 problems. First 5 problems were recognition of revenue and capital items. Further 3 problems were of receipt and payments account, and 2 problems, that is 9th and 10th were to find out opening capital fund. With this I end my class today. If you have any doubts, please do ask. Thank you.